Okay, student. Today I will explain you yesterday notes which I have given properties of the differentiation. So in properties number 1, we have d by dx of, inside a bracket I have many function f1 plus f2 plus ... which means that I have many function inside this. So when I differentiate this function, that means I have to differentiate each and every function. So first I'll have d by dx of f of 1 plus, then I have to differentiate the second function d by dx of f of 2, and then plus I have to differentiate the next function d by dx of f of 3, and so on. And then property number 2 say that d by dx of c equal to 0. C stands for a constant. That means when I differentiate any constant number, I will get 0. And then property number 3 say that d by dx of c of fx equal to c d by dx of f of x. That means when I differentiate constant into function, in this case constant will come up of the differentiation, and then we will have to differentiate only f of x. Now I will come with the product rule. D by dx of fx gx. That means the function fx into gx. So what I'll have here, fx, at first it will remain constant. Then I have to differentiate the second function g of x plus. Now the second function g of x will remain constant. I have to differentiate the function f of x. Then the quotient rule, d by dx of fx by gx. That means the function fx divided by the function g of x. So when I have this one, I have to use this formula. In the denominator, I'll have g of x whole thing square. And then in the numerator, again g of x will come first. Then differentiate f of x. Minus, now f of x will remain constant, d by dx of g of x. So what you have to remember in quotient rule is that in the denominator you'll have g of x square, and then g of x first, it will remain constant. Remember to write first g of x. Then you have to differentiate d by dx of f of x minus, then f of x will remain constant, then you have to differentiate g of x.